BTS is MB Pacific Star Inbound. Report over. MB Pacific Star. This is BST. Go ahead. Over.
Requesting permission to enter harbor. Currently at position 14 north, 121 degrees east, speed 10 knots. Over.
MB Pacific Star. Permission granted. Proceed to Channel Alpha. Maintain speed 8 knots. Traffic ahead. Keep safe distance. Over.
Proceeding to Channel Alpha, reducing speed 8 knots. Will maintain safe distance. Over.
Roger. Report when passing buoy number 3. Over.
BTS MB Pacific Star passing buoy number 3. Over.
MB Pacific Star. Continue inbound. Prepare for berthing at Dock 2. Pilot will board shortly. Over.
Understood. Preparing for pilot boarding and berthing at Dock 2. Thank you. Over.
Safe navigation. BTS out.